Here we have a Volkswagen T-Cross. Now it's a 1 litre SE TSI 95 PS. Now the car is a cracker and it has a good quality spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, hill start assist, black roof rails, a forward collision warning system, an automatic post-collision braking system, lane assist, along with these 17-inch Clayton alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's a good size and it is very spacious. The interior has Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, WeConnect Go dongle and an eCall emergency call service. So for more information, please feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.